Hey YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to recolor eyes in Photoshop. To start, you're going to want to bring your picture into Photoshop. Anything with eyes works, of course. Next, you're going to want to unlock the background layer so that way you can edit the layer. You can rename it to whatever you want. I'll just rename mine to lion eyes. Now, next, depending on how big your image is and how big your screen is, you're going to want to zoom in so that way you can be more precise and it'll look better. Next, you're going to want to create a new layer by pressing, if you're on Windows, you can press Shift Control N, or you can go to Layer, then click New, and then Layer. And you can name this whatever you want. I'm going to name mine Recolor. So now that we've got our new layer, we're going to want to take our brush tool and make it really small, depending on how big your eyes are and how big the picture is. I usually make mine around 3 pixels. So now that we've got that, we're going to select the color of the eyes, or the color of the desired eye color in the color picker tool. I think I'll go with a red. Now all you're going to want to do is to start carefully coloring over the eyes. So to do this, I'm going to first color the background with a very small brush, and then once I do this, I can switch to a larger brush just to get it done faster. Yeah, 5 will work. And now just start coloring in the eye. Now you're going to want to go over to the other eye and do the same thing. Just make sure you get everything, and make sure you get everywhere, so that way it doesn't look messed up. There we go. Oops. If you mess up, you just can press Control Z, and it'll bring you back, or it'll undo what you just did. Okay, now that we've got this, now let's zoom out back to 100%, and there we go. We're not done yet because it looks really messed up. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to the layer bar, and then where it says normal, you want to make sure that you click the right layer where you recolored the eyes, and then go over to screen, and this will give you a nice effect. You can just mess around. Sometimes different layer blending modes work better than others. Personally, I think that looks pretty good. Soft light, and what's it called? Let's see what other. That looks okay. I mean, it really comes down to what color you use, what color the original eyes are. Personally, I like darken. It looks nice, and then you could mess with the opacity a bit just to make it look natural. Yeah, just play around with it, get used to it. Try to recolor a bunch of different stuff. Make sure to subscribe. Have a nice day.